Hey! So I'm back with another tutorial using ColorStreet today. I'm using a bunch of my leftovers to do a Christmas tree design. So I'm sitting on them right now to warm them up. It's super cold in my room. We like it cold. So sometimes that makes the nails harder. And that's why you also want to apply nails onto warm hands and fingers. So if you've noticed that, just kind of sit on them for a minute or kind of like rub them to heat them up. Yeah, it helps, and I like when it's nice and soft. It makes for a wonderful application. So let me know if you guys saw the metallic collection launch. Some of those colors are super pretty, so let me know if you pick some up. You can go look at them on my site. It's theonepolishedmama.com. I'll put it up there. So anyways, I hope you guys have had a wonderful week so far. Today is Tuesday. I think I'm going to post this tomorrow, so it will be Wednesday. Have an exciting weekend coming up, so let me know what you guys are doing. So some of the ones that I found in my stash, I want to go with pink colors. I hardly use pinks, although I had a crap load of pinks. So far I got Till the Glitter End. That's the gradient one. Are You Madriding Me? Really bright, pretty pink. I want to say, what was this one? Giza Sands, maybe? Or At the Plaza. That's At the Plaza, a little shimmery one. This one has to be Manchester Mauve. This is Retired. It's Blushing and Flushing. Again, I just grabbed my pinks out. Just gonna mix and match. No Way San Jose. Absolutely beautiful. If you've never tried this, you have to try it. It's on the retiring shades list. I believe this one's Havana Honey. I have Solar Flare. Rose Goes. This is also retiring. It's beautiful. It has those black flowers. I have, what is this? This is the Rose Gold. I don't remember the name. It's the Rose Gold glitter dipped one. And then I have Clear as Day because I might put it over the tree. I don't know. And if you hear my daughter, that's Isabella. She's laughing because she's messing with the dolls. So, anyways, I'm going to turn the camera around and get started. I'm so excited. I hope you like it and you try it. Alright, so I remember why I got Clear as Day out, because that's what I'm going to build my Christmas tree on. So, I think I have Are You Madriding Me and Manchester Mauve are the ones I have the most of. So I'm going to open that one first, and then I can do my nails on there. Let's see. And I haven't decided if I'm doing full nails or like French tips. And if so, then I need to find a penny or some sort, sorry if that's loud, or some sort of round thing, because that's how I trace it on there. And I hope these are warm enough. Alright, so I think I'm going to do, I wonder how much of a shape this would be. I guess that would work too, if you just use anything round. Alright, so I'm going to start with my thumb. You always want to take the plastic off because that's horrible to work with when you are doing nail art. Makes it all plasticky and super hard. So if you want to do a DIY French, you just go, you turn it around, and then you can draw however much you want. And you can use one nail multiple times. Or you can just do different nails and then save them. And then you cut along your line like this. And you can even do it like a really deep cut too. That's always really, really pretty. And then the wonderful fun part is you peel it off, and I swear this never gets easier. And then I rip it. Okay, cool. This is just, I swear my day has been so horrible. Like, I broke 2 nails. Oh good, I think it's the bigger one. I broke 2 nails. I tripped in my room. I hit my elbow, and I dropped a plate on my foot. So it's just been one of those days, and I almost didn't do my nails because I was worried. And yeah, I don't know. I'm just so clumsy today for some reason or another, and it's not fun. But do you guys ever get days like that where it's just a total freaking mess, and then it makes you like not want to do anything at all? Because that is me today. And I think I'm gonna put something. I think I'm gonna put some foil, or maybe some did I even take the plastic off of that one? Of course I didn't. See, I'm telling you, it is one of those friggin' days. So sometimes you can get it to come up without ruining it. But, see, you got, oh my goodness, guys. Alright, so that one got saved. Yay. So now I'm going to take that off if I use it again. My goodness. Alright, and then I need my middle and pointer finger. So, plastic off. Goodness. Alright, hopefully my day gets better. I gotta go. I'm gonna move the shelves in my daughter's rooms away from the beds and over on a different wall. So hopefully my nails last. Usually they do. But I'm doing it right after. I'm not letting them set. But it's okay, because I can always come back and fix them somehow by hiding them. Alright. Now my middle. I love this color so much. It's Manchester Mauve. Really, really pretty. And I might even use one of the other pinks to incorporate on here, like a little line or going halfway. Again, I'm kind of just going with the flow. I know for sure how I want my tree looking, so that one's gonna be fun. And again, you have to think out of the box because it's a pink tree. You don't always have to be color precise. That's what makes nail art fun, as you can make it any color you want. I tend to stick with traditional colors, even though I'm telling you guys not to. But it's really fun and unique seeing different colors for things. It just makes it fun and pretty, I think. And even if you don't like the pink, you can do the same with some greens, because we have enough green shades. Alright, so now I can use this one because that's big, and that one because you will see. So I'm going to open my colors and be right back. Alright, so I did not open Solar Flare at the Plaza or Havana Honey. I think I like these colors. Alright, so this is my Clear as Day, taking off the plastic. And then this is going to be what I'm putting all of these on. So, in my head, you know how a Christmas tree is kind of diagonal, not diagonal, oh my goodness, triangle, hello. I am just going to cut little thin strips of all of these colors and place them across here and go all the way down in different colors, and then cut it into a Christmas tree. So I think it will be very cute in the end. I'm going to take off all these plastic pieces, and even if you don't want to cut it into a Christmas tree, because obviously I'm doing one for the holidays, you can do this any time of the year and it would be super, super pretty. So obviously I'll show you what it looks like on the nail at the end before we cut it down and give you guys some ideas. But I'm going to fast forward through this because, like I said, I have to cut all the little strips and apply them. If you have any questions, let me know. So stay tuned. Here we go. Alright, so if you want to use this as a nail, obviously make sure that it is long enough to cover your nail. But wouldn't that be so super cute? Especially if you did them a little bit thinner or maybe different colors. I think that'd be really, really pretty. Okay, so I'm going to cut out a Christmas tree. Just a simple little tree. And then I think, I don't know if I should do like a traditional tree like this or one like this. We can attempt to do one like this and hope that that looks like a tree, because again, it's really up to you. And we'll see if this fits on my nail, because like I said, I broke it. Broke two, actually. Three. Two on one hand, one on the other. The one on my right hand, I broke, I want to say, I had to have been opening the dog food bag because it was really heavy, and I was just kind of holding it with my hand. I don't know. And then today I broke one on the cupboard, and the other one I believe on the car door when I was opening it because it was super cold. And whoop, hello. Yeah, I don't know how that happened. All right, cut there. All right, so here is our little tree. Oh my goodness. I think I cut it. I cannot draw. Okay, so let's see if we can fix it. I guess you can maybe tell it was a Christmas tree. I don't know. Here, let me see. If I do this one, if I just do the tree that I thought, let's see. All right, we'll use this as a tree. And then, because you want to peel it off of the clear as day, because remember we built our layers on that, so you don't want to peel them up. Let me grab it, some tweezers. All right, so Here is my Christmas tree, and now I'm gonna find a little star to put on the top. So you can either cut one out, which I'm not gonna attempt because that is so small, or find like a little stud. So hold on. Alright, so I did find some stars. So I'm gonna use a little pink one. I believe that this is from the dollar store when they had these, or Walmart. I highly doubt it was Walmart. I want to say it was the Dollar Tree, because I used to get a whole bunch of little things there, and I don't know why they don't have them anymore, but whatever. Alright, so I think my gold one was a little bit cold because I have to keep warming it up to make it stick, but that's okay. Alright, here is my tree. It's cute. It reminds me of like a Who tree from The Grinch, which is one of my favorite movies ever. So, alright, now I need to figure out something to put on my other nails because that is just super plain. So I'm wondering if I cut it thin enough. I hope you guys don't get upset like when I fail at things, because it's more of like doing things to give you guys ideas and hope that you try and don't fail like me. Because I'm horrible at cutting things. Like, I have a whole bunch of ideas. It's just I cannot cut for anything. But hopefully you guys can. Or at least ideas. So it will look really nice and pretty on you. It's fun for me to sit around and make videos, and of course play with polish, because that is something I really enjoy. Alright, so obviously you've seen me cut these French tips at an angle, but now putting the gold glitter, it made it straight, which I'm fine with. It's just for some pretty decoration. If you still want it curved, all you have to do is trace it like we did with something round, and then it will come out with that curve, so it will follow it perfectly. Alright, last finger. I'm going to cut this one a little thinner, just because it's more glitter. But like I said, I really hope you guys get ideas, because that is my goal. This is time consuming, but if you like playing and doing your nails with like little art and pictures and stuff, then it's definitely a challenge for you to try. So alright, there you go. And I didn't apply these ones very well, but that's okay. So, alright, I hope you guys have a wonderful week. See you later. Bye.